What up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike T, and I'm back at you with another episode. Today I want to tell you guys about my new logo, and I also want to talk about another precious package that your boy got in the mail. So stay tuned. So the first thing I would like to talk about is PW Customs, and they sent your boy some priority mail. They said, could you please do a review of our product, maybe order some of it, and tell us what you think. So they sent me a sample pack. I'm getting ready to show you guys what they sent me. This one is just about as many as the FM expressions and the stalls transfer. And the review videos, blah blah blah, is coming up soon. Alright. So the first one we got the mustache. And these are mostly 7 seconds, just like the other one. Yoga. And this is City Studio and it's Color Flex transfer. I like that one. The first one, because I didn't mention for PW Customs, was a let me see, spot color value transfer, and that was a 7 seconds. Sports Fran 365, and this is a full color transfer. This is also 5 to 7 seconds. 325 to 350 Fahrenheit. You know, I really like PW Customs because they sent me a more different than I would like to say with stalls, arrangement of different transfers. So this is something new that I haven't got, and that's a rhinestone sample. Of course it says sample. Maybe I'll take the S and the P out and make it something else, you know. Your boy creative that way. I really like this one. It's called Vibrations Transfer. And it's almost got like a rubber feel to it. Also good for probably jerseys and things of that nature. The Tiger Squad Easy Transfer, spot color. And with these transfers, I can feel the bulkiness. I can feel like they're trying to make a statement. As with stalls, it was kind of light and flimsy. And I had an accident, which you'll be seeing soon, the whole video. This one's a soccer club. Easy transfer. Easy flex, so they say. And the reason I haven't set the timing or the seconds is because they're all the same. It's 5 to 7 seconds, 325 to 350 Fahrenheit. Second to last, the Everwood Summer Camp. And that's a color transfer. And the last one, a sublimation transfer, which I'm really excited about. Because I've been waiting and I've been hearing a lot about the transfer sublimations, about it being just as good, if not better, as a screen printing. So yeah, I would like to talk about my new logo, and basically what it is 2 hands pointed up to the sky like you're praising the Lord, and it says Mike T's and car decals, which I put on these pants to match the shirt. And I know it's a little wrinkled, don't go there with it. But it's still crispy and fresh, you know. If you would like to cop this custom gear, hit me up in the comments. Hey Mike, I would like to grab your t-shirt. It's going to be for sale as new merch on my channel. And also I would like to give a shout out to Lex. It's just Lex behind the camera. She's been with me through this whole journey. And what can I say? She makes my videos shine and sparkle. So stay tuned. If you like this content, please like, hit the thumbs up, and subscribe. I'm thinking I'm saying that right. And I'll also leave the links in the description to where I got the transfers and some of the products that I use. Hit those links in the description. They're Amazon products. I stand by them. I got a whole bunch of them, and I'm sure you'll enjoy them too. Peace.